Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue the sheep meat manufacturing, which is called lamb or mutton. So let's start our flow diagram steps. Step number 1, the sheep receiving from the supplier or the farm. Number 2, selection of animals, actually selection of healthy animal confinement, slaughter or anesthesia for the selected healthy animal. And we'll now start the questions. Did the bleeding occur? If no, so we'll return back to the step of the proper bleeding. If yes, so we'll start removal of head, legs, udder cutting, and evisceration of the internal organs. Number 6, the mechanical skin removal. Number 7, belly cutting. Number 8, inspection by the quality team. Number 9, carcass cutting. Number 10, final cutting of rear legs. Again, we are talking about the sheep meat manufacturing, the lamb called or the mutton. Final cutting of front legs and weighing of our carcass. Number 12, final washing, the cleanness of the carcass. If no, so we'll repeat the washing step. If yes, so we'll go to step number 13, which is very important, the chilling process. And the question is chilling in the presence of high humidity of carcass are adequate? And the temperature are 7 Celsius or 44.6 Fahrenheit on the meat surface, and 12 Celsius or 53.6 Fahrenheit internally. Internally means 15 centimeter or 5.9 inches in the meat itself, and the refrigerator temperature are from 0 to 2 Celsius or from 32 to 35.6 Fahrenheit, and the relative humidity are from about 85 to 90%. This is step number 13, the chilling process. If no, so we'll make rejection to the carcass, or we convert it to waste. If yes, the temperature, the chilling process are fine, so we're going to step number 14, the cutting carcass in quarters. Number 15, re-inspection prior to transportation, also by the quality team. Number 16, transportation to retailer or the customer. We'll get back to step number 5 from our flow chart about the removal of head or legs or the other cutting and evisceration of the internal organs. So we are having another steps 5.1, which is head cutting in pieces and washing. 5.2, the inspection. 5.3, the deboning. It means removing of bones from the carcass. It's only flesh meat. 5.4, the chilling process also. Is the chilling appropriate? So we'll make rejection or waste, or we can make another thermal processing to the carcass. Then if it is the chilling process are fine, so we are going to 5.5, the packaging step. Then to 16, again, transportation to retailer or customer or directly to the consumer. So this is are the conclusion for all these steps. Number 1, sheep received from the farm, selection of animal confinement, slaughter and anesthesia of the sheep, bleeding. If no, we'll repeat again. The repeating of bleeding is not about the reslaughtering, but to ensure that all the blood are empty from our carcass. Removal of head, mechanical skin removing, belly cutting, inspection, carcass cutting. Number 10, final cutting of rear legs. 11, final cutting of front legs and weighing. 12, final washing. If no, repeat washing. If yes, the chilling process as we have mentioned. Number 13, the chilling process. If no, rejection or waste. If yes, cutting carcass in quarters. Number 15, re-inspection. Rower 2, transportation by the quality team. Number 16, transportation to retailer customer. And from number 5, there is another step 5.1, the head cutting to pieces and washing. Inspection. 5.3, deboning, removal of bones. 5.4, chilling process. If no rejection or waste, and if no, also we can make an extra processing. Then the 5.5, packaging, and finally the transportation to retailer or customer. And about the CCPs, we will define the CCPs in the upcoming educational video from YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel content. Thank you so much, and keep safe, and thank you. Goodbye.